In this video, we're going to review how to take a number that's in scientific notation and change it to standard form. In my first example, the base of 9.4 tells me that I have 9 and 4 as non-zero digits, but I'm going to go ahead and for now keep that decimal. The exponent of 5 tells me how many times my decimal needs to move. It needs to be moved 5 times. Now I have to decide, is it going to move 5 times to the right or 5 times to the left? Remember that positive exponents represent numbers that are large, numbers that are larger than 1. So therefore, I've got to move that decimal in a direction that's going to make this number grow. Well, that's going to be to our right. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I make little loops showing my 5 movements. Now I copy the 9 and the 4, and every one of these empty spots needs a 0. So there's 4 of them. So I add 4 zeros, insert my comma, and I realize 9.4 times 10 to the 5th is the same thing as 940,000. Let's look at the second example. The 6.9 for my base is what I'm going to start out with. Now I look at the exponent. The absolute value of that exponent is just 1. That means the decimal moved once. Now I need to think in what direction, so I pay attention to the sign. It's negative. So negative exponents represent numbers that are less than 1, small numbers. So I've got to think, which way would I move it to make the number get smaller? Well, I would go to the left. That will cause it to be a number less than 1. So it would be 0.69. Let's go ahead and put that 0 in to the 1's place as our placeholder. So now, does that work? Is it a number less than 1? Yes, it is. Did I move the decimal once? Yes, I did. So the answer has to be 0.69 or 69 hundredths.